gonna do episode 2 and day 2. Okay, so I'm gonna just record Hank demoing walls.
Demo.
Guys, look what he demolished. Sorry, I was fixing my iPad so I didn't get it on camera. There's just screws. Look at that, huh?
Don't put the screws on your good surface. You put it right through the ground.
Whoopsie, guys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put this on a water bottle. I'm gonna demolish too. So guys, this is like the bathroom. It's pretty. My dad, of course, took it out, and then yeah. So that's just the bathroom. And then Hank took out this whole entire chunk of wall. You can see all the debris on this floor that I'm about to show you. And then, yep, that's basically all for that room. But we gotta pick it up. It's a video.
Come on, Hank. You're missing.
Alright, so this was behind the shower. And what's on the other side of here is the medicine cabinet in the other bathroom. This is the original medicine cabinet from the house. And when they used to have these little slits, you'd shave your face, you take the razor off and you put it in this little slit. And it's literally just going to the wall. These are all razor blades from somebody shaving. Look at how many years of razor blades have been tucked in that hole. I just grabbed it right here. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? Look at all those. They're all razor blades.
If you have that on the outside of your house, someone can break into your house and come out of your window.
Look at that. Yeah, who designed that?
It just drops.
How about those building codes?
It just drops into your wall.
Yeah. So these are the old razors that they stay like that and you just go shh, shh. That is crazy. Be careful when we take that out, huh?
So as you can see, guys, this is the bathroom, and my dad took out the mirror and he took out the bathroom walls, and in the next video or in the past video he showed you all the razors. But anyways, so he did really do a lot in the bathroom, but it's not fully completed. But that's the mess that he made, and yeah, that's mostly on the bathroom floor. And these are just the and this is the master bedroom, bathroom, basically. And now day 2 is completed. Yay! Anyways, stay tuned for episode 3 and day 2 and day 3. Bye.